Okay. Another spoon. Perfect. That's perfect, Alice. Good. Blow, blow. Good job, Alice. Hey, you know it works better with you than with me. Oh, careful. Shall I put it in a bowl? Do you want me to put the spinach in a bowl, Alice? There we go. Good job.